y'all, and thanks for stopping by Tuesday's Tips with Design by Kathy. Today I want to talk about taking, what do you do with all those canvases that you have, and you may not love it enough to like put it on your website to sell, or on Etsy or wherever you sell yours, or whatever method you use there. It may not be that particular piece, but I want to show you what to do with it to personalize it for someone. I can't tell you how many, I've gone to a baby shower, or going to a shower. It's like, oh, this is their colors. I'm going to make this personalized for that person, and that works well. But then just some other things that I've taken pieces that just necessarily, I didn't necessarily think they were standalone art, and I wanted to take them to another level. So let me show you what I do with that. So there are so many different ways that you could take a piece of art and expand on it. Some of you that are super duper artsy craft, talented, you can actually draw something on it and paint something, and I've seen a lot of that. Well, other than trees, that's not me. So I found this little thing. It was actually made to hang on the wall, and this was a piece that I did some time back. I like the colors in it, but it just didn't wow me as like a standalone, necessarily a standalone piece. So I thought, what? And what to do to give it just an extra bit of character. So like I said, I found this little thing, took the stuff off the back, and it's resined on here. I added resin to the piece and put this in the middle, and I love how it turned out. I really, really am happy with that. I could so see this as an accent piece in a in a bedroom, a bathroom. I love the colors. They were really pleasing to me. So I was really happy, and I guess you could do it. You could, hang it either way. Several different options there. This is another piece. I like it is, but I had this thought because I picked up some things at Hobby Lobby. And I just thought, oh, this could really work well. So I don't know, I just grabbed these several little cutout things, wooden. I have one that says home. Just need the right piece for it to go on. Anyway, I like this little dragonfly. I know dragonflies are always a happy thing. So I think I'm going to paint this little guy and add him in here somewhere, just to give it that little extra something. Now another option is, a lot of you I know, do Cricut and Silhouette. I hope there's not a terrible glare on this. This was actually a requested piece that I did for a friend of mine's little granddaughter, and I've got her name on here, Kinsley's Room. And anyway, it's just something she wanted for her granddaughter's room, that she loves pink, and that would just make it special for her. So I've got her name. This is cut out in gold vinyl. And I had resin on here. If you've got resin on, these things will just adhere perfectly. I have stuck them on pieces that didn't have resin. But it's a little bit more work, but you can make it work. So, like I said, sometimes a piece just maybe needs something else, maybe not. But I don't know, sometimes it doesn't even, you may not even want to touch it. But I saw this, I was going through my things, getting ready for a craft fair, actually. And I came across this piece, but I had also picked up this little, windmill. It's not really an oil derrick, but anyway, I thought he would probably give it a little character to go right there. So that was something that I wanted to do to this particular piece. Again, your pieces that you have that are just standalone art, don't do anything to those, but the things that you feel like you just need to add something extra. This is another something I did to this one. Whatever I was trying to do behind here didn't work. So I put an iridescent coat of resin on here. And I don't know, I just somehow thought that came out really cool. To just put that, what's behind it. It's got a 3D look to it. So really, 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 really liked that. Just iridescent resin. But I've got, you know, a letter that could go there or go in the middle. Sometimes just an extra embellishment or again, like I said, the vinyl can really make that piece that's not wowing you, give it a whole new bit of character and a whole new dimension. So thanks for stopping by for this Tuesday tip, and I hope you found this useful, and I can't wait to hear what kind of things you come up with to add to, embellish, or change, or whatever you feel like it is to that particular piece. And I hope you'll share that with me and on the new Facebook group. So pop on over and join that group. It's very new. There's just a handful of folks because I've, you know, targeted initially, you know, my family. That's what we do with most things, right? But anyway, thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you next time.